Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we are going to cover the PolyHedra Airdrop. This is a project that is invested by Binance and KuCoin inventors, and the technology behind this project is really amazing and the last thing in the crypto market. So they are working with zero knowledge proof and they are building an infrastructure for interoperability, scalability and everything that you want to do in Web3. You also are going to be able to bridge NFTs and assets from one chain to another. So this is a very important project and we are going to check how to apply to this possible airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, PolyHedra is building the next generation of Web3 interoperability, scalability and privacy infrastructure with industry-leading zero-knowledge proof (ZKP) technology. PolyHedra network provides trust, minimized and high-efficiency interoperability solutions for transferring assets, messages and data between different Web2 and Web3 systems. A couple of important points are the PolyHedra currently has a Zksync Bridge loyalty program campaign for which they have promised exclusive rewards. So I am thinking that that could be the airdrop of the token or maybe some NFTs that will serve you for a token reward or something like that. So we are going to cover that and more. The Zksync Bridge is completely powered by layer 0 technology, so we are increasing the chances of drops from them as well. So if you are doing layer 0, you are going to be doing also transactions there. And PolyHedra has received 25 million investment from top funds, including giants like Binance Labs and KuCoin Ventures. So a very big backup project, amazing technology, amazing solutions, and we are going behind the possible airdrop. The website polyhedra.network, you are going to see the main two things, which is the Zksync Bridge NFT and the Zksync Bridge Messenger. And you can go to the bridge. The mainnet alpha is already live, and the Zksync Lite client, which is integrated by layer 0. We are going to interact here with the Zksync Bridge, of course, and in terms of community, you can see almost 500,000 followers on Twitter and many partnerships day after day. So this is a very important project to keep an eye on. Now that we know a little bit about PolyHedra, let's go to the step-by-step on how we are going to participate on this possible airdrop. So the step 1 and step 2 is follow them on Twitter and Discord because of the nature of the task that we are going to do for participation on this possible airdrop. You are going to need to do it anyways. So start doing that, follow them on Twitter and in Discord. Here you can see the official link. So go to them, follow them, and you are going to be already doing some stuff for the next points. Now the step 3 is here is all the PolyHedra campaigns on Galxe. Most of the things that we are going to do here are in Galxe, and that is part of the official information that we can see on the website and in the social media. So if you go to this link, you are going to see on Galxe the PolyHedra network, and if you start scrolling down, you can see all the campaigns. So some of them, guys, I already finished it. Some of them finish on June and some of them finish the 10th of July. So we are not going to be able to do all of this. So don't be scared, but there are too many campaigns to do. It's not difficult to do. Most of them are actually really easy, but others are going to force you to interact with the different protocols. But you can see many of them already ended. So the ones that didn't end it, you can do it. As soon as you complete one of these, you are going to receive points. You can see how many points that value. And at the top here, you can see the amount of points that you have in that account. Around 250, 300 people or wallets, I would say, are participating on this in an average. So try to do everything that you can here. This will make you get some rewards. And here you can see the leaderboard. So 690 is the maximum amount of points that you can get apparently to be in the position 1. So now I will cover some of these, but not all of them, of course, because if not, the video will be extremely long. But here, step 3 is the important one. From here, you are going to see all the next steps. So step 4, let's start with one of the simple ones. We go to the quest page on Galxe, I already put a direct link here for one of the Galxe campaigns, but in this one we just need to retweet this PolyHedra tweet, and then we click and verify to claim the points. So you can see you are going to always see these kind of pages. You can open here and see details of what you need to do. So in this case we need to retweet this tweet, so I will click here on details, and you can see the call to action. This is the link that we need to retweet, so we can retweet this. This is the news about the integration of layer 0. And then we just go back here, and you can see that I have the green ticks here, so that means that it's completed. And then you click here on claim, and you are going to receive your 10 points. That is the easiest task that you can do here. Now moving to step 5, this is similar. We go to the Galxe page and we do a quote tweet here. Again, you can see the details and the call to action here. And this time you are asked to do a quote on this and tweet about this. So after you do that, you can click here to reload it. This is updated each minute. So after you complete this, you click here on claim and you will be able to get it. So step 6 is just go to this page and you will be able to claim the points. This is to be a follower of PolyHedra. So after you follow them, you can see claim 10 points. Transaction has been submitted, and after a minute you are going to get the points. And you can see says already claimed. The step 7 is another Galxe task, which is basically follow them on Discord. If you already did that on the step 2, then you go to the Galxe page, and after you follow them there, you are going to be able to claim these 10 points. On step 8, we need to do another quote on the tweet of PolyHedra. You also need to tag some friends, so you can see everything here on the Galxe link on the details page if you have any doubt. The step 9 is that the next task is more complicated and requires on-chain action. Basically, we need to go to space.ad. You can register there on the right side of the box and register the BNB domain. Now go to the Zksync bridge and send a message from Polygon to Binance Smart Chain to your domain. You are going to be able to do that here on the Zksync bridge Zksync message. Now the step 10 is that you need to do the usual cross-chain sending of a message. So you can go to the Zksync messenger, you can select the networks. I use Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. You can click send message and you go to the quest page and wait for confirmation. So let's go and do that. You will need to connect your wallet, of course. You need to select one chain and the other chain, and then you can send a message confirming your transaction in your wallet. You can see the cost is less than $1. And you can see completed, congratulations, you have successfully sent your message through Zksync bridge. And you can see the transaction hash here, and you can see it on the layer 0 scan if you want. Step 11, now we need to pick up the NFT from Zksync Lite client. So go to this and click request. I did it in Polygon. So here is the URL for the NFT faucet. And then you go to this campaign and you wait for the confirmation of the points. So you can claim that after you get the NFT. Step 12, you can send the NFT to another network. To do that, you can use the Zksync bridge of .com NFT. So basically here, to import an NFT, you can click here. I am in Mainnet. You also can do it in Testnet. And you can see that I have NFTs on these networks. So I will click BNB. I will enter the contract address. But instead of doing that, I will import my NFT. So I will select an NFT that I have here. For example, the Zksync Lite client. I will confirm import. You also can create an NFT there. I recommend you to do that. Then I will click on next. I will select the network that I want to send it. Let's say Polygon. Click next. Transfer approve. So I need to, of course, approve this. And because I am doing in Mainnet, I need to pay some gas fees. We are waiting confirmations. I am doing this from the Binance Smart Chain into the Polygon network. After it's approved, click on transfer. You can see $1.17 cost me the transaction. And now we need to wait the Zksync bridge, which is processing, generating the zero knowledge proofs, and waiting the confirmation block on BNB chain. And now it's sending to layer 0. And congratulations, we have successfully transferred your NFT through Zksync bridge. Also, you can see this on the layer 0 scan. And what we just did is also the task number 13, which is import an NFT and send it to another network. So to complete this task, you have a Galxe also that you can claim your points. After we did this, guys, this is part of all the tasks that I mentioned here on the point 3. So some of them are going to be complete, but go here and complete everything that you can. After you do that, guys, we are going to go to point 14, which is really important. As you can see, I put the word important on point 3. The same is for point 14. And we need to complete the 10 tasks on the Galxe for the Zksync bridge loyalty program. This is an ongoing thing, and this is from the official website. If you go here to the official website, you can see the loyalty. You can click there. You can claim these NFTs. These are all ongoing. Some of them already ended. And from here you can click on enter loyalty program, and you are going to see all these 10 tasks. All these, guys, are ongoing tasks. You can see this is ongoing. So here you need to start doing all this again. So go to the first one. This is Greenfield Testnet. Again, you need to retweet this and get the testnet tutorial NFT. You have here the link, or you go to the details. This is also counting for points, and you can see that you have time until the 10th of August to do this. So after you do that, you go to the next one. BNB chain Luban upgrade NFT mint. So check all of these, try to do all of them. Completing these 10 tasks is important because this is a Zksync bridge loyalty program, which is officially from the website. So we are not speculating on this, we are waiting, and according to some comments, this is very important for a possible reward on PolyHedra. Also, you can click here and see the mystery of Pandralia. There's another initial price pool of $100,000 there. So you have these tasks to do. There are 4 here. So you also can do that. And doing that is step 15, which is participate on the mystery of Pandralia. Also, if you want, I think it's a different thing, but you can participate and do it anyways. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, please check my website, cryptocurrencystate.net/subscription. I have a private Discord. We are around 250-300 people there, managing a high level of information about all the important airdrops that you need to do right now, and all kind of different airdrops on BRC20 ecosystem and many other protocols. Also crypto strategies, many things about airdrops. You are going to find it in my private Discord. And I also have my application, guys. This is a airdrop application that I created, where you can apply to all my airdrops and also to your custom airdrops from another sources, and get everything organized and apply easily to all of them. So check these 2 videos in order to know how my app works. Then you can go and click on subscribe now. You complete the form and you are going to be subscribed to my private Discord and into my application if you want. Guys, these are the 15 steps that you need to do in order to participate on this PolyHedra possible airdrop. Very important project, so keep an eye on this. And if you have any doubts, of course, you can go and ask in the PolyHedra network Discord. The chat is really active, many people participating there. And if you consider all the tasks that I have been doing, it's around 250,000 people. So I think it's a nice number for this kind of project or airdrops. So you could get some rewards if they decide to do an airdrop of a token. Guys, that will be all for this video. Remember to check all my videos on cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. You can search any type of video that you want. If you want Zksync, you can go search there Zksync. You are going to see all the amazing videos that I did about that. Not only the important guides from Mainnet, Testnet and Light, but also tips for a big airdrop, how to create and deploy a contract on airdrop Zksync. This is something that not many people is going to be doing. You have another protocols on Zksync that you can interact. That will be all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed PolyHedra airdrop. This is a big one and it's backed by Binance and KuCoin, besides other venture capitalists. So don't waste any time, participate on this airdrop. That will be all for this video, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And don't forget to follow me at Twitter in Cryptocurrency State Twitter account, which is CryptoCState. It's appearing right now, CryptoCState. You are going to see my live actions about airdrops there and all the news and tips about different airdrops. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.